What's up everybody, and welcome back to another FSP transmissions video. Today I have my forward input drum for our 4L60E. It is 300mm, 2001 and up, two-piece case. We're going to be fully assembling this drum today. I'm going to show you guys how I put it together, the whole 9 yards, and then we're going to finally air test it at the end. I've already got my Teflon rings installed here, so let's slide it down into the build bench and let's get started. Now we got a brand new set of molded pistons here going in today, and we're going to go ahead and seat this forward piston into its housing. A little bit of grease around the outer edge. Slides in just like that. Now I always use a number 7 3 and 4 applicator shell. It allows you for more distance to set your clearances. Now this O-ring goes right down in here into the crevice. And just walk it around. Alright, let's get your pistons installed here. You want a little bit of grease down in the bottom. And this is your 3 and 4 clutch piston. Goes down in the bottom just like that. Now this is a T15-2-8 cone. That sits over top of the housing like so. Now you take your shell and your forward, piston here, and you're going to slide it down in here just like this. A little bit of lube up there, and now your overrun piston. Now your spring perch, take it over to your foot press and get your snap ring installed. That is how your snap ring should look, fully seated. Start out with your steel disc. There's no teeth other than the teeth that coincide into the channel there. For reference, here's your forward steel. You can see the teeth here on the side. Now these overruns are slightly smaller than your forward clutch pack frictions. They sit down in there just like that. Now we need to put our forward sprag together, get our input to output shaft seal, followed by our bearing, get that seated, then get our forward clutch pack stacked up. Alright, now this is pretty simple. You're going to take your housing here that your forward sprag sits in. You're going to take your gear. Make sure your windows are facing to the left. Just like that. Get you a little bit of grease in there. And then set it in at an angle. And then just kind of walk it in. Flip it over. Put your other ring on. Followed by your shell. And your snap ring. Just like that. It should spin clockwise. Okay, here's our seal. And here is our bearing. Perfect. Now, this steel plate, it's thick, it goes first. And then you put a wavy in after that. This has got some chamfers in it, kind of moves up and down like a wave. It's just to absorb the garage shift into drive. And then a steel disc after that wavy. Now, here's our forward clutch pack. First friction. Now you're going to alternate as you go. Steel disc, friction. should have a little bit of play there on the top plate. Alright, now I've already established my clutch clearance here at 30 thousandths, and I'm going to demonstrate how you stack these up. You just alternate them after the bottom plate. Your forward input drum is ready to be installed in your 4L60E. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I wanted to jump in here and tell you guys that I ship these transmissions all over the United States. We have multiple shipping carrier accounts and can get these things shipped to you, or you can ship us your transmission at any time. Check out my Instagram page or my Facebook page, or call this number right here. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day.